How many times have you sat down with your entire class and actually sat with them during a morning meeting or during a time when you're getting into math and you say, guys, we're going to transition. We're transitioning from reading to math. Transition means, and you can use this with first graders, you can say transition means that you're going to stop your brain for a minute and you're going to put reading in your back pocket. Okay, everybody put your reading away. Put your reading in your back pocket. Okay, and sit on it. We don't want it on your hands or in the front of your face. Transition means that now you're going to get your mind in a place that's going to talk about math. And you're really teaching them about transition and getting them prepared for that. And then transition means, hey, we're going to have lunch now. Put this away. What does that mean? That means we're going to transition to one place to another. That means we're going to get up. We're going to think about lunch now. We're going to put our math away. All this stuff. How many times do you actually teach the skill of transition? Think about it. I mean, really, when you think about it, we don't. It's not something we think about consciously. I'm asking you to think consciously about these things, about these cognitive skill deficits. I'm asking you to consciously think about, how do I talk about them? How do I teach them? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.